Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to download Bigo Live on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Bigo Live application on your Android device, first, make sure you're connected to a strong internet. Once you are, you can connect to either Wi-Fi or a cellular network in order to download the application. After you have it, tap on the Play Store button and open it up. Go to the search box at the top and type in Bigo Live into the search box. Now, make a search, and on the next screen, you'll be able to see the search result appear. Tap on the Install button to begin the downloading process. The downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to connect to a strong internet if you'd like to download the application into your smartphone quickly. Once the application has been downloaded, wait until it installs on your device. After it does, you'll be able to open the application. After the application gets downloaded, open it up, and there you have Bigo Live installed on your smartphone. The Bigo Live is a live streaming free application that you can find on almost any devices. It lets users make video blogs or live stream their activities with the object of monetizing their videos. That is how you can easily download and get Bigo Live application on your smartphone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.